In the Reports section, you have access to all the reports concerning your installation. Here you also define the ones you want to receive by mail or FTP. To add a report, click here. Fill in with a name and description. Select data to get all the data from the installation in the language you want, in the right time zone. You define a periodicity for receiving this report, daily, weekly, or monthly, as well as the day and the hour you want to generate it. You must select the granularity according to your needs. Do you want all stored measurements, those of last week or yesterday? To end, choose the format CSV or HTML and save. Now you define exactly the content of this report. First, filter the buildings, the zones, and the usages. The corresponding products are then displayed. Browsing the products list, you select the data you want to receive and then save. As a result, you get the content of the report displayed. The last thing to do concerns the publication of this report. Here, you define whether it is sent by FTP or email. In this case, you just need to enter the email address of the recipient. This way, you will periodically receive the reports you need. Stream allows the translation of all the neutral values. If the users are in different countries and they want to use the software in their native language, all the words you have entered can be clearly translated for a better understanding.